A class action lawsuit may soon be filed against Bang Si Hyuk, the chairman of HYBE, over allegations related to unfair and possibly fraudulent trading practices. According to a statement from the law firm Rojipsa, they are preparing to take legal action and are currently recruiting plaintiffs. The firm's lead attorney mentioned that they plan to proceed under Korea's Class Action Act once they have at least 50 participants. While this case is still developing, it's important to note that Bang Si Hyuk has been referred to the prosecution by financial authorities. The accusation suggests that he may have misled investors about HYBE's IPO plans, while benefiting privately from stock transactions through a private equity fund. HYBE has responded to these allegations, stating that their largest shareholder cooperated with the investigation and denied seeking personal financial gain. They also emphasized their intention to clarify any misunderstandings and restore trust with the market and stakeholders. Meanwhile, there's been an important procedural development in the ongoing legal dispute between ADOR and the NewJeans members. The court has issued what's called a siagmyeong, or order for clarification, to both parties involved in the case. Now, this type of order isn't something that happens automatically. In fact, it's often directed at only one side, either the plaintiff or the defendant, when the court feels a claim or defense lacks clarity, legal grounding, or sufficient evidence. However, in this case, the order was delivered to both ADOR and the NewJeans side, which is unusual and suggests that the judge believes both parties have left key issues unclear, either in their factual claims or in their legal reasoning. This type of court order is typically sent in writing and sets a deadline by which each party must respond. The goal is to push both sides to clearly explain what exactly they are alleging or defending, what evidence supports those claims, and what legal basis or outcome they are asking the court to consider. It's also worth noting that because this was issued to both sides equally, it reflects an effort by the judge to maintain fairness and balance in the proceedings. It may also help protect the court from accusations of bias later on. Ultimately, this order could signal that the court is preparing to make a more substantive decision, whether that means moving toward a formal ruling, dismissing parts of the case, or encouraging a resolution before things escalate further. In my view, this is likely a watershed moment in the trial. When a court issues this kind of order to both sides, it often means, stop repeating vague or overly general points. Tell me exactly what happened, what laws apply, and what you actually want me to do. This puts serious pressure on the legal teams. If either side responds unclearly, weakly, or just repeats previous talking points, it might affect how the court sees the strength of their case. Only the involved parties know what they're preparing. But this next round of filings could dramatically shape the direction of the case. It may not mean a decision is coming immediately, but it definitely suggests that the court is moving into a more decisive phase of the case. The hearing that was originally scheduled for July 24th will reportedly be postponed, likely due to the recent order for clarification. In short, the judge seems to be prioritizing a clearer foundation of facts and law before proceeding with the next in-person session. I'll keep you updated as soon as there's more news, so make sure to subscribe and like the video to support the channel.